Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a WooCommerce app for your WooCommerce store. It's fairly straightforward. We've got one config here using one of the WooSignal templates, so you can head over to there and download this for free, and you'll get a file structure similar to to something like this. So what you'd want to do is go into app, then label, and then click this X workspace one, and it should get you to this part. So on the right here we've got like an example of the app. So here you can see, it's displaying all the products, and you can add stuff to the basket and actually check out in the app. It's fairly straightforward and simple to do. I'll just quickly show you how you can get started. So once you open this file, you'd want to go to this label core.swift file. You need to have like an app key from WooSignal. So first thing we'll do is head over to there and just log in. I've already got like an account and stuff, and you need to reconnect your store or connect your store if you haven't, so it shows online. Once you've done that, then head over to here, and you would want to generate a new key. I'm not going to generate a new one because I've already got one, so you can generate that and copy and paste it and head back over to the app. So here what we do is, it's very straightforward. You just add your key here, and the one thing you need to do actually is also click this or the top file, the little blue one, and make sure that inside your targets, you selected a team. This is just like an Apple developer account, and once you've done that, you should be ready to just run the app. So just an example, I'll click play here, and also I forgot to mention this software that I'm using is Xcode. What you're seeing here is Xcode. So this is something that you can download from the Mac store, which is from here. So just search for Xcode, and you'll be able to run this software for building apps. So yeah, once that's all compiled, we should see on the right it will then just start to build the app and reset it. But you can see inside this file there is quite a few changes you can make. You can change the different providers enabled, so stuff like Stripe, PayPal, or even Apple Pay, and everything's been laid out to be very simple to get up and running, and without any technical experience. So you can see now the app's starting to load, and voila, I guess, yeah, we have all our products. So it's that easy. You can get started on the website and see what you can create, I guess. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next. Thanks.